and Assalamu alaikum, my dear 10th standard students. Today I am going to start chapter number 19, Human Development. Change is rule of life. Yes, of course, without change we can't live a life. So change is rule of life. An infant grows slowly into an adult. From the phase of primitive man has developed into present complicated and social arrangements. Social system and economic system have also developed in different forms that we have to see in this chapter, human development. So before starting this chapter, it is very important to understand what is the meaning of human development. Meaning of human development. This term is often used by agencies of media, political leaders, different institutions and government. The term human development, again I am repeating, the term human development is used for expansion of human capacities, prevalence of performance and preference, development of freedom and human right. So in short we can say human development means enlargement of your life, to use maximum your capacities, your abilities to make your life more and more luxurious and good. Human development gives indication of many other things other than education, health, nutrition and controlling resources. Now the thing that is very important, different meanings are connected with this word human development. We will see one by one in your textbook, page number 160. Number 1. Ability of human being to lead successful and creative life as per as their own interests, abilities and wisdom. Just now I told you that depend on the person to person, that how they are using their abilities, their wisdom, it means their knowledge for the enlargement of their life. Number 2. Creation of human capabilities, securing equality, getting an opportunity to select in various fields. In this sentence, this word opportunity is very important. As we all know, this is the competitive world. So each and every person is fighting for catching the opportunity to use maximum of his or her knowledge, wisdom, abilities to get a success in the life. Number 3. Man living healthy, fine, fit and long life. This is actually the main motto of living a very successful and healthy life, and each and every person is trying for that. Next, acquiring knowledge through information and education. This is actually the new technology and the need of the present time, that we must, each and every person who is educated or not educated, should have the information, the things going on outside, around each and everywhere and related to the education. Next, getting opportunity for the monetary benefit. A person should know that where he or she should work hard so that he or she should get maximum benefit in his life in the form of the financial condition. Next, natural resources should be available all to improve living standard. Of course, this is from very starting. The nature really is very helpful to our life from the very starting, and we are having maximum natural resources for the upliftment of our life. Achieving qualitative lifestyle. Qualitative means, this is very important. One word is quality and the second is quantity. I think we should focus more and more on the quality of the life. That gives a real standard to our life. Removal of the squalor and improvement of the health related condition. Of course, we must take, at least at present time, as we are passing through a very crucial period, COVID-19. So each and every age person should take care of their own life and giving importance to the hygiene. Then, obtaining personal and social security. Utilizing human right. Each and every person must know that what are the rights, not only the rights, but what are the duties as being a Indian citizen. Obtaining individual and social security. Human rights are inherent to all human beings to use it. The thing is that being an citizen of India, it is our we each and every Indian should conscious about and should know what are their rights. Actually, this is the main problem of India, that maximum people, especially the below poverty line, they don't know, or we can say not having the knowledge of what are the rights are given in the institution for them. So these are the main things which are related to the human development and the terms which means give the correct meaning to the human development. So we'll continue with the same chapter in the next video. Thank you.